Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to follow someone on Reado. To follow someone on the Reado app, first of all, go ahead and launch open the Reado application on your device and log into it if necessary. Once you're in the home page of Reado app, go ahead and tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen and go to the search box at the top. Now, type in the name of the username of the person you want to follow in the search box at the top, and then from the search result, tap on their profile. You will see this kind of an interface. Simply tap the follow button in order to start following the person. If you have disabled push messages for Reado, then you'll need to enable that. Go ahead and do it, follow through the prompts, and once you are done, you will be able to see that you have followed the user now. And that's it, you have successfully followed someone on Reado. Now you can stay updated with their activity and content. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more uploads from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.